Welcome back to the Wig Lab. Today's experiment, can we fix frizzy curls on my Blake from the Wig Spa Canada? When I started, some of these curls had completely lost their definition and several sections had become pretty frizzy. My first test was just to spray water and try and wrap the curls to see if it would work. And then I moved to the factory reset mist on a few individual curls. I also compared it to a curl enhancing product designed for curly hair. And honestly, neither one made a significant difference for me. Next, I move on to the complete factory reset system. And yes, you guys, I accidentally used the conditioner first instead of the shampoo. So once I realized my mistake, I rinsed everything out, shampooed the wig, applied the conditioner properly, or finished with the factory reset mist, and then let Blake air dry outside. The wig definitely looked better, but a few curls still weren't cooperating. So I pulled out a thin curling wand, added a few fresh curls exactly where I needed them, and that's when everything started coming together. My biggest takeaway: synthetic curls aren't identical. Every curl behaves differently because we're not the factory where these wigs were originally created. Sometimes water works, sometimes products help, sometimes a complete reset is enough, and sometimes a few strategically placed curls are exactly what the wig needs. There are lots of ways to restore synthetic curls, including steam, flexi rods, heat-free curlers, and heatless methods. This was simply one experiment that worked for me. And that's exactly what Wig Lab is all about.